Tip 1. Choose a car with easy accessibility. This is important as seniors might have difficulties getting in and out of cars that are too low or too high off the ground. Cars with large door openings, an adjustable seat height and steering wheel can help seniors comfortably and safely operate their vehicles. Tip 2. Opt for vehicles with advanced safety features. These include features like rear-view cameras, blind spot warning systems, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. These tools enhance visibility and control, making them perfect for senior drivers. Tip 3. Get regular vision and hearing checks. Good sight and hearing are crucial for safe driving. Regular checks will help detect any issues earlier, and proper correctional measures can be taken to ensure the driver's safety. Tip 4. Consider a driver safety course. These refresher courses, designed for seniors, often address the common changes in vision, reflexes, and hearing. They can help older drivers understand and adapt to these changes, ensuring they're fit to be on the road. Tip 5. Maintain good physical fitness. Regular exercise can increase flexibility and strength. This helps with turning the steering wheel quickly, looking over your shoulder, or making other sharp maneuvers that may be necessary when driving. Tip 6. Plan your route before you go. Advanced planning reduces stress while driving and allows you to choose the easiest, most straightforward path. You can avoid highways or busy streets if they make you uncomfortable. Tip 7. Avoid driving in extreme weather conditions to maintain safety. Rain, snow, or fog can create poor driving conditions and low visibility, making it harder to control your vehicle and to respond to hazards. Tip 8. Keep your vehicle in good working condition. Regular maintenance checks are important to ensure your vehicle is operating safely and smoothly. Make sure the brakes, tires, lights, engines, and windscreen wipers are regularly serviced. Tip 9. Limit distractions while driving. Keep noise to a minimum in your car and never use your mobile phone while driving. Reduce the amount of multitasking you do while driving to keep your mind's focus strictly on the road. Tip 10. Drive in optimal conditions. Try to schedule most of your drives for daytime hours when the weather is clear. Most importantly, only drive when you're feeling physically and mentally up to it. Tip 11. Consider using public transportation, ride-sharing services, or carpools. As senior citizens get older, they may find it more difficult to drive on their own. By using these services, they can get around without the stress of driving, while also having an opportunity to socialize.